Hello guys, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito po ang aking reading para sa mga Virgo. This is for December to January 2021. So pwede magkapalit-palit yung rules dito. Kung cross-watcher ka, pwedeng ikaw ito at hindi si Virgo. So let's start the reading. We have here Four of Pentacles as your person's main energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, and Five of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. So let's start na po yung reading. We have here calling in your soulmate. For some of you, you might be dealing with your soulmate or someone na parang nilalaman-laman ng panalangin mo. Okay? Parang sabihin na natin, wala ka naman talagang, think about your dreams, not dreams. Pwedeng, yung prayer mo while you were young. Or you were like, nung mga bata-bata ka pa. It feels like for some of you, this is the one na ipinapanalangin mo. Okay? But then the feeling na nakukuha ko dito with the Four of Pentacles, this person is really keeping a secret. Meron siya tinatago. Meron siya hindi sinasabi. May mga bagay siyang gusto niya sa kanya na lang. Or hindi siya, pero ang nararamdaman ko medyo mabigat na yung emotion at saka yung gusto niya sabihin. I feel like this Christmas season, gusto niya nang sabihin or ibigay sa'yo. If this is a material thing, pwedeng something medyo mabigat. So, possible yan ang gold or, something made out of wood for some of you or gold. Yun yung mga nakukuha ko dito. Okay? For some of you, something green. Yeah, but I see a lot of gold. So, possible na gold yung gusto niya ibigay. Okay? So, for what I can feel here, itong person nito, gusto niya nang sabihin sa'yo. But then, hindi niya masabi or hindi niya magawa because we have here Five of Wands. I feel like you have a lot of things going on. Like, may mga problema ka. For some of you, pwedeng ikaw ito na nilalabanan mo itong for some of you, pwedeng emotion, feelings mo towards this person. Like, we have here engagement. I see that you see this person as someone na talagang gusto mong makasama for the rest of your life for some of you. But then, maaaring pinaglalabanan mo yung emotion mo ngayon. Yun yung nakukuha ko sa'yo. Sa energy mo, this is parang concentrated ka sa mga bagay or sa problems mo ngayon. For some of you, you have this emotion na pinaglalabanan. Okay? Or, for some of you, I see a love triangle situation here. And, yeah. And with the playfulness, dito naman sa side ng person mo. For some of you, your person might be immature pa or hindi pa siya ganun kahinog pagdating sa sitwasyon yung dalawa. Kumbaga, hindi niya alam i-handle yung situation because too young yung knowledge niya pagdating dyan. Pwedeng sa pag-handle ng emotion niya or pagsabi ng mga bagay na like yung totoong nararamdaman niya because hindi niya alam kung paano, hindi niya alam kung, for some of you might be fighting back this person, also pwedeng you block this person sa social media, so hindi niya alam kung paano yung nakukuha kong energy with the playfulness. So parang walang kamuwang-muwang yung person mo dito, na parang hindi ko alam kung paano ko sasabihin sa'yo dahil minsan ikaw na rin naman yung na parang ikaw yung nag-uudyok dito na wag niyang sabihin. Okay? Dahil parang nakukuha ko sa energy mo na nilalabanan mo, okay? Or, pwedeng binablock mo, ganyan. Pero pwede rin namang hindi ganon. Basta nakukuha ko lang yung energy mo na pinaglalabanan mo kung ano man yung emotion mo towards this person. But for what I can feel here, yung person mo is willing to fight for you. We have here Five of Wands, another fire sign, and the Emperor, Aries energy. So, nakukuha po natin dito na I feel like gagawa siya ng action pagtapos na lahat ng kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon. So, possible na ikaw itong may pinagdadaanan dito, problems or whatever na nasa isip mo ngayon, sitwasyon mo ngayon, na kailangan mong paglabanan, pagtapusin, or solusyonan um, bago mag-open itong person na ito. I feel like gusto niya eh. There's this feeling na gusto niya dahil mahal ka niya and ang tagal niya nang nagpipigil. But then, for some of you, pwedeng may choice. We have here Two of Swords. So, this is choices, decision na kailangan gawin. Or for some of you, kailangan ng pag-isipan mabuti. For some of you, pwedeng mag-leave ng situation. So, possible a love triangle energy dito sa nakukuha ko dito. And, oh, I would like to clarify. I feel like this is not the right deck na kailangan kong gamitin. This one. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. May nakukuha ako ditong energy na someone is helping somebody here. Yeah, with the King of Wands. This is a kind person na may tinutulungan or may may someone na medyo down pagdating sa finances ang tinutulungan nitong person ito. So, possible na yun yung pinagdadaanan ng person mo ngayon or situation nyo na this person is really, focus dito sa mga kung ano man itong tinutulungan niya or yung finances niya. Okay? So, maybe your person is currently down pagdating sa finances. And, maaaring focus siya doon. We have here the Hermit and Two of Cups. Virgo energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Wait lang guys, what's with the Two of Cups? Kinla-clarify ko lang po itong Two of Cups. Yeah. Okay. Possible of an ending of a relationship. Or someone here is waiting para dito sa ending of a relationship. I feel like this person is waiting na matapos kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan ng person mo. So, possible na pwedeng yung sa side mo or sa person mo, take what resonates na may karelasyon dito. And I feel like your person is waiting for this moment. And I would like to get the cards na these are the clarification cards na lumabas. Here's the Death and Rebirth. So yeah, and this is Two of Cups, which signifies relationship, okay? So yeah, possible na there's a relationship na this person is waiting for an ending, and lumabas din po yung Tower moment natin, which is an ending of a situation, bigla ang tapos ng sitwasyon. And yeah, while you are healing, habang nagpapagaling sa kung ano man yung pinagdaanan na sakit na yan, this person who is waiting is actually willing to travel. Seven of Wands is travel to have this stability dito sa relationship na ito. Four of Wands is stability. So, maaaring mangyari yon if this person would leave the situation with the Six of Swords right here. Okay? We also have here Hierophant, Taurus energy. Okay. So, ang nakukuha ko po is like, yung someone here who is waiting is actually having this positive thought na mangyayari yon. I just have to wait. Okay? So, kung ikaw tong may pinagdadaanan ngayon, naglalaban ng emotion mo or whatsoever na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, your person is actually waiting for you to ang tawag dito, ma-pass through mo yan kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Okay? Or matapos man yan kung ano man, I feel like for some of you, parang tinotoyo ka lang. And you block this person. Okay? For some of you. Kasi maaaring pwedeng finances din yung yung hinihintay mo. Okay? So, we also have here King of Cups and Queen of Wands. Yeah, your person is really waiting for this person to leave. Pero parang nakakabit eh. With the Queen of Wands, yung energy is like nakakabit. Medyo mahirap alisan. It feels like dito siya kumukuha ng lakas ng energy and all. Like, hindi niya alam kung paano kakaharapin yung mga finances niya kasi maaaring itong person na ito yung nakakapagbigay ng financial stability or sabihin na natin nakakatulong pagdating sa finances. So, medyo mahirap maiwan. And with the King of Cups, kumbaga malaki yung tulong nitong person na ito kaya medyo mahirap alisin if there's another person involved. Pero kung wala naman, maaaring kung sino man yung tinutulungan niya, with regards to money, medyo mahirap alisin dito because, medyo stuck ang feeling dahil this person really needs help. And etong King of Wands yung tumutulong doon. Okay? So, with the Six of Cups and the Hanged Man, for some of you, pwedeng may children involved dito. I see you giving birth. So, if you are a woman, maaaring magkaroon ka ng anak dito sa taong to. Possible. Kung sino man ito. Kapag nagkaroon kayo ng relationship. Yeah. If you're already old enough, of course, alam mo naman sa sarili mo yon. Pero, wag mo i-consider yung sinabi ko na yon. Pero for those who are still young, na pwede pang manganak, nakikita ko dito yung sarili mo na nagkakaroon ka pa ng another baby with this person. But years yung aabutin. So, I see 2 to 6 years. Yeah. Okay, 2 to 6 years. Medyo matagal kasi yung progress dahil medyo marami pang pagdadaanan. With the Why did I say Teven? I mean 10 of Pentacles. Oh, someone is in the picture. If there's a relationship, possible mag-end if this other person would arrive. May lalapit eh. Once this person na lumapit, this is a family or relationship matter. So, probably you na may karelasyon or this person, and there's this paglalapit with the Ace of Swords and action. This is action na mangyayari. And once this happened, there's going to be a death right here or an ending of a situation. And after that, there's this Knight of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy na would give this offer. So, pag may natapos na sitwasyon, may offer. And there's a lot of will here with the Wheel of the Year. This is change. Malaking pagbabago. So, yeah. So, yun yung nakukuha natin dito. So, kuhanin naman natin yung more cards na makakapagbigay sa'yo ng clarity, advice for some of you. Depende sa kung ano yung lalabas. If I feel like this is an advice, then ibibigay ko siya as an advice for you. Please do like our channel, guys. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng yan. Especially yung subscription nyo. And also, we do have another channel, which is the Unicorn Princess Tarot. Feel free to like us there. Okay, first, there's this true love between the two of you. Ewan ko ba kung bakit pinaglalabanan mo sa side mo. But there's true love. Mahal mo itong person na ito eh. I mean, dalawa kayo. Dalawa kayo ditong nagmamahal. We have your retreat. Pay attention to the red flags and separation. Yeah. So, may possible na for some of you, separated kayo through distance. Or, there's this feeling na with the retreat and separation, possible marriage dito na kailangan tapusin. You have to pay attention to the red flags. So, I feel like maraming sign na nagsasabi sa'yo what to do. But, you have to do it. Kasi hindi pwedeng alam mo lang. Dapat gawin mo ng action yung alam mong dapat mong gawin. Alam mo yun. Okay? Oh, kasi for some of you, pwedeng mawawalan ka na ng tiwala sa pangyayari. Because, yun nga, maybe has something to do with the finances dito. Pinaka-main, maaaring yung if there's a relationship, mas nagfo-focus sa finances dito. So, that's it for now. Virgo, thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Virgo Philippines and Unicorn Princess Tarot. I love you all and bye-bye.